the start button. There's a nice animation. So sport, eco. Let's do a quick horn test. Is this exempted sa coding? Hey guys, here we have the all-new Chery Tiggo 7, and we are going to be taking it for a quick drive. At the rear, premium looking crossover with a large hybrid badge right there, loud and proud. Very solid. You can see that it has a Tiggo badging right there on the speaker grill. Very interesting. Power seats. Here's the interior. You have red stitching with some white accents right there. The door sounds solid. Let's climb over here. And it is fairly comfortable. You do have a lot of headroom. I have this much, considering na may panoramic sunroof pa. This is my driving position, and I have tons of legroom and footroom. You do have aircon vents at the back as well, and a fairly flat floor for more space at the back. All 4 windows are automatic on this car. And let us check out the trunk space. Getting in and out is very easy thanks to the high ride height. And you can fold down the seats right here. Let's check out the boot. To open the boot, you just press a touchpad right here and it automatically opens. So it has a power tailgate, and you can see it does have a spare tire and a tonneau cover right here to keep your stuff private and hidden. Right, so that's the cargo capacity. It is fairly large, and again at 1.350, this is a great value crossover. The ride height is fairly high, so getting in and out is fairly easy. To start the car, put your foot on the brake and hit the start button. There's a nice animation from the digital gauge cluster. You also have a wireless charger right here and a capacitive touch air conditioning, which is dual zone and also features a clean air purification system. You also have this floating style center console. I don't know if you can see it, but it is also illuminated. You also have various driving modes. So sport, eco, and just sport and eco. And you have an around view monitor, a 360-degree camera, and hill descent control. You have a panoramic roof which you can open via this switch right here. This one is to control the blinds, and this one for the glass itself, but we won't be doing that because it is drizzling. You can see it has LED lights as well. Let's go ahead and go for a drive, and then just the handbrake, you have to disengage it by that lever right there, and let's turn on the auto hold function. So even at 24 kilometers an hour, the around view monitor is still active. It also has a tire pressure monitoring system. Yeah, parang may siya, blind spot.
Yes sir, pag yung mga blind spot, pag nagmagan ako.
So safety features,
meron siyang 6 na airbags sir, meron siyang curtain airbag sa magkabilang side,
right?
And then dalawa dito.
Okay.
6 speakers.
Okay. So how much is the starting price, or like the price for this specific
Tiggo 7, meron kasi dalawang variant po ng Tiggo 7.
Okay.
Tiggo 7 Pro, yun ay 1.250. And then si Tiggo 7 Pro Hybrid is 1.350.
So this one is the 1350.
Yes, sir.
For its size, the price
sir.
is fairly reasonable. And
Yes, sir.
yeah.
And features.
Yes. Now the question everyone's asking, is this exempted sa is this exempted sa coding?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet, because it's a mild hybrid.
mild.
Yes. And VH is quite good. There's not much road noise going inside the cabin, and it soaks up bumps pretty well. Ano ba yung tires na to?
Size 18, sir.
18s. Large pa yung tires niya, and yet the ride is fairly quiet. You do hear a bit of the engine. There you go. There's the around view monitor.
Sa armrest box niya,
Okay.
pwede kayo maglagay ng drinks kasi meron siyang vent ng aircon na hindi
okay.
iinit yung drinks niya.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So cooled siya. So it has a leather steering wheel.
Ambient light.
Perforations. Oh, it has ambient lighting right there.
And may settings din siya na pwedeng sumabay yung ambient light dun sa rhythm ng music.
Let's do a quick horn test. Very premium. So this one feature a Apple CarPlay and
Yes, sir.
Android Auto. Oh.
Pero wired po.
Wired,
Siya
okay.
wireless.
The 1.5 turbo is punchy off the line. And let's try it in eco mode. The switchgear actually feels very nice. It's solid. There's a nice click to it. There's automatic headlights as well. So it has a power tailgate, and here is the button to turn off the auto start stop. It also has, I don't know, LED headlights
Yes, sir.
with dynamic turn signals.
And may DRL na din.
Overall build quality is improved as compared to the previous Chery models.
Yes, sir.
So these are some of the safety
Yes, sir.
features. And then trip computer, tire pressure monitoring. Oh, there you go.
Yes, sir.
So you can change the theme. Oh, there you go, the engine turned
Yes,
off.
sir. Turn off the engine.
Yes. So for us to be able to change the gauge,
Dapat
we have to come to a stop, no?
Yes, sir.
There you go, the engine turned off. And that's the difference between these full hybrids and a mild hybrid. The mild hybrid can just turn off the engine and be able to use some of the features inside the vehicle. A full hybrid, you can drive it completely in electric mode for a distance lang, and if the battery is charged. But yeah, the mild hybrid enables you to have a more fuel efficient car.
Pero si plug-in hybrid naman sir, if ever na kunyari 20% or 10% na lang yung battery,
Yes.
magsiswitch siya sa engine.
Engine, yes. That's the beauty of plug-in hybrid. Parang you get the best of both worlds kasi whenever your battery goes, walang charge, the engine is there to kick in, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And let's say if you're just doing short distances, you can do electric mode alone.
Yes, sir.
And just charge the vehicle right up. Let's do a little bit of a launch here. One thing to note about the mild hybrid for this car is that you can notice the engine turning on and off. Right, so we are now back to where we started. That was just a quick drive off the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. Is this the Pro?
Pro hybrid. Sir.
Pro hybrid. And to turn off the air conditioning, just press this and turn off the... Oh, you put it in park first.
Sorry.
Park and then handbrake. Turn it off. Great, so that was a quick drive and walk around of the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro Hybrid. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.